guys, we're very early today because we're leaving at 7 for the boat tour to the island hopping or the island tour. We're like the second batch to get here for breakfast. I'm going to show you what their breakfast look like. They have a salad section. They also have yogurt, some fruit, and delicacies, bread. I think this is ham. I think this is, oh, it's rice. Rice. And then some veggies with ham. What's this? I don't know what this is, guys. There's also the egg section and some pancake.
Only woke me up to go on this boat.
This is what I got for breakfast. Meat, some, I forget the name of the rice. It will be my first time eating this kind of rice. Some veggies mixed with ham. And then another pork, I don't know what it is. And Dale is eating his food, using his hand. Here, use this, baby. Use it. It's a beautiful morning here in Nido, Palawan. Yeah.
Here.
Open it. Open. Okay, very good. I returned to our room because we had to change our clothes. Tim is already ready to go, just us and Dale. Uy! Buti Mayam and I rented the shoes. But we didn't get anything for Dale because his shoes is already secured. We're just waiting for our boat that we rented. I got some protective water cover for my phone. I got it from him. We're already on the boat. And I'm 100% sure, guys, that they will going to get sick later.
The sound is
Then we got the water bag. Dale, where's your life jacket? Where did you put it?
Here.
This one? Okay. To go to the helicopter island? Are you? Yeah. Don't get sick, Dale. We're now on our way to the helicopter island. Are you excited to see the helicopter island, Dale?
Yeah.
Yes?
Helicopter in the island.
Helicopter in an island. We're going to eat you, shark! Shark, shark! Uy! Can you see it, Dale, the shark? Oh my god, Dale! The shark!
Where's the shark there?
It's hiding from you.
Look, Mom! I see it!
Yes!
Wow!
Are you going to He said that he's just going to watch Dale while me and Timoy were going to snorkel. It's so nice of him.
What do you see, Dale?
We're now on our way to our next island. I don't know what's the name of it, but we're heading to the next island. And I think we're also going to have our lunch there. I'm kind of hungry already. You guys know that I really love to eat, right? So yeah, I'm hungry. So we're riding the kayak.
Panugnawan namin.
Hello. I just don't want to get wet anymore. It's just so cold. The wind was very cold, so I asked for a kayak instead. And for also for Dell, because the boat too fast got really
Just Nido, mama.
cold.
Ma'am.
Okay. Huh?
Hey, you cheated! You cheated!
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, Chrissy.
Why? This is the secret beach.
I'm going there in the beach.
Welcome to the secret beach.
Bye, Daddy.
Are you okay, Dale? Yeah? Dale is learning how to ride the kayak. Go, Dale! Go, Dale! I'm so... Oh my god, my face looks very brown. I'm just trying to get dry. I don't want to get wet anymore. It's just very cold. The wind. Sorry. The wind earlier on our way here, it was just very cold. Just look at my skin. I look like a lechon. The guy said earlier that we're going to have our lunch here because I'm actually really hungry already. I can't wait to eat. Your head there, your head. Get down, get down, get down. That is already in the boat. They're just preparing for the lunch. I'm just hungry. This is our lunch, very nutritious. Fish, rice, chicken, pork, scallop, canton, yeah, and my favorite, shrimp. We're here at our last destination, the Paradise Island. It's pretty nice. What I noticed with their sand is like it's just like a a refined sugar. It's just very fine. It looks exactly like a refined sugar. We're now on our way back to the hotel. That was just our last stop, which was the Paradise Island. house.